Hello there, welcome to another video talking geeky stuff with me, and this is an unboxing. But before I do the unboxing, I just want to talk over the bit of a context of this purchase. Really, first, about 2 months ago, my watch died. I got a couple of watches, pretty decent ones, old-fashioned watches that died on me. I've been lazy, haven't had any taking it away and everything like that. I probably need a battery. To be honest, I don't know. Maybe I might just get it fixed somewhere. But I just know it's a good excuse, good time for me to thinking about buying a few watches. I got a bunch of watches like Dragon Ball Goku watch from Swatch. I just keep it as a souvenir. And when I was in Osaka, Universal Studio in Nintendo, I got myself a Mario watch. Like I said, I'm not using those, wearing those. This is for me to maybe sell them off later on when it's worth a lot of money. Now, to be honest, it's just a collector's thing. But I wanted something to wear, and smartwatches never appealed to me. Uh, really, I didn't like any designs from Apple. I didn't like the square ones, and some of them just annoys me. I don't know. I just didn't fancy anything. To be honest, I just want a watch to look like a watch. I want a watch to be old-fashioned. Maybe I'm a bit old-fashioned myself. A circular design. And then this popped up. OnePlus Watch 2. The first one, to be honest, I can't remember. It was probably very forgetful, and I was going to buy this around March, mid-March or something like that. But at that time, they only had two versions. You had the black version and the green version, right? It was like, I think that UK was £329, but if you do pre-order, you get it for £299 plus a free gift. But that time was, I just spent all my money in, booked a holiday to China, Beijing. All my spending money was in there. So, yeah, so I kind of didn't have, and my mind was focused on my vacation holiday anyway. Anyway, also, I put all my vlogs, so if you do get a chance, check them out. A little plug for me. Yeah, so, and then while I was in China, I knew some VPNs. I still get a lot of, notification from UK, the rest of the world, and I was getting like a notification for OnePlus. It must have recognized my algorithm when I was just checking it out, and then the blue one popped up, as you can see here. Oh, okay, this is new. Now, I like the face. Yeah, the face is pretty good. But of course, just I checked a bunch of reviews before this one a couple of months ago, and there's plenty of faces. And so I decided when I got back to London, I decided to pre-order it. And his website is you can see original price $329, and then I got it for $299. And the free gift I got was the earbuds, OnePlus Buds free. Imagine saying that 5 times, huh? Yeah, but I got the blue one so I can match it. And it was supposed to arrive on tomorrow, Friday. My birthday is actually May the 11th. May 11th is going to be Saturday, so kind of like a birthday present for myself. And a whole bunch of stuff I bought for myself in China as well. So this is the watch I wanted to get, of course. And I wanted to watch that. I'm not going to spend anything more than £500. I'm not really a watch guy. I mean, I don't mind watch. If I'm going to get a watch, I want it at least decent. So not too cheap, not too expensive. So my budget was around £200 to £300. 350 max. And I thought, why not? I like this design. The blue one actually looks really cool. If this one didn't come out, I'll probably get the green one. Radiant silver, green one. Black one, I've already got black ones, and the blue one, that's the one that caught my attention, so I decided, oh, that's pretty cool. Plus, you get £30 off, plus a free gift, the OnePlus Buds, which is £99, so a pretty cool deal. It's within my budget, it looks good, you can have whatever watch faces you want, so it looks like a classic design watch. I'm not into all that kind of square, I don't know, I just don't like it. I just call me old-fashioned in a way, so I got something that's kind of old-fashioned design, but at the same time, it uses all the new technology. Hope that makes sense. Anyway, so yeah, so once it's finished, this is going to go into my unboxing, and you probably guessed that I did the unboxing already, and this was just recorded afterwards, just to kind of set the context in motion of why my decision to buy that. And yeah, and Even though I set it up, it wasn't reviewed. It's my first smartwatch, so I couldn't compare it to anything else. I may make a video in the weeks to come just to see how's it going. Am I liking it? Am I not liking it? And see how it is. So yeah. Anyway, uh, so the next scene will be my unboxing. Okay, I'll catch you guys next time. Okay then, here's the actual unboxing. I'm still using my mobile phone to do the recording and my right hand. So if anyone, I'm actually quite serious. I mean, I've been saying this for my unboxing. I need a stand. So if anybody got a good recommendation of like a stand, a phone holder that can clip on a table, it's not too expensive and not cheap. You know, it's got a lot of versatile angles and everything. Please let me know. Drop in the comments. Thank you. So anyway, I hope you yeah, so the first bit you heard me, my reasons why I got OnePlus 2 watch. Yeah, and here it is. Today, as I've mentioned, the recording is Thursday, 9th of May. So originally, like I said, I bought this for my birthday, and my birthday is Saturday, May 11th. I won't tell you how old I am, but I'm not that young anymore. So yeah, so I mentioned the first part, the pricing. This came free with it, and you had the option of a black one or a blue one. So I thought, you know what, I just match it with my watch. I probably won't do an unboxing, but I may in it. Well, it depends how I feel. So I put this aside, and here it is, the OnePlus Watch 2. I got this in the blue. Looks so cool, and yeah. So like I mentioned, I'm using one hand. So what I'm gonna do is kind of like semi-unbox it, have everything all displayed on the table. So I get back to you all in a few minutes. See you in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, opened up, you got this here that the phone was gonna the watch is wrapped around. This is the watch. Just to let you know, unwrapping it is pretty difficult because there was something here and there was something wrapping around. So you had, yeah, it wasn't as easy as it was. It's took me a bit of time. This one just paperwork in here. On the right side, you got cables, Type A to Type C cable, and this little dock where the underneath the phone will sit. At the back here, you can see the pogo pins and so on. I got the blue one, as I mentioned multiple times. Yeah, so this is all inside. It's pretty light. It's not too heavy. It's pretty light. So yeah, so that's all inside a box. What I'm gonna do, I get back to you. I'm gonna compare the watches I actually used to wear. Okay, be back in a few minutes. I am back again, and these are the kind of watches I used to wear. They're still good. Battery's dead. You can see this one here has a similar rubber band, rose gold. Yeah, pretty cool. Got this on sales actually, GC guest collection. I think they went bust or something like that. So this was on sale, and I knew the manager, so he gave me a lot of discount on this one. And then I went in the black one, which I got this one, same thing. It's guest collection. Great, it feels great. Again, manager who's left now, company went bust, gave me a lot of discount on this, so pretty cool. So I've been kind of looking for this kind of size of watches. Not too big and not too small. And I've always believed that, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say this anymore, but I don't know, for a man, I think that you need to have a, you know, slight, pretty decent size, I would say. And I'm not talking about the other thing. But I think that, I mean, I see men with like smaller watches. I don't know, it doesn't look good. And yeah, so yeah, that's the comparisons. What I'm going to do, I'm going to connect it to my phone and to play around with it. So yeah, get back to you in I don't know, it depends, maybe an hour's time. Catch you all then. See you later. Hey, I'm back. So image and sound quality may change because I'm changing phones. I was actually using this phone to do the recording, which is my Nubia Z Ultra 60. But because I synced my new watch to that, so I'm using another phone to film it. So there may be a little bit difference in sound and picture quality. But anyway, yeah. So it was pretty straightforward. I was just playing around with it. Just to let everyone know, I mentioned earlier, this is my first smartwatch, or what is it called now, wearables, something like that. And you can see this, this is the menu. You want to sync it up. You got all these watch faces, quite a lot. I'll probably spend a lot. It's almost like me just gonna change like my phone wallpaper every month or so. So yeah, the default one was if I can bring up, it's the one you saw at the beginning of the video. It's that one. I thought that would probably, yeah, this one here. I thought I'll probably keep that, but when you actually look at it, it's not that good. So I actually chose this one. So here it is. Let me just switch it on. Whoops, let me just enter my pin. Here it is. I use that one. There's actually a bunch of them, but then you got two buttons. One at the bottom, right there, one at the top. This one, I mean, I saw a bunch of reviews already where you can twist it, but it doesn't do much. I know other phones like Xiaomi, I think Xiaomi, you can actually rotate the menus up as well. You do one click, it goes into the menus, the settings or the apps. I just did it like a list. You can do like one of those. It's almost like the world, it rotates back and forth, but I found it a bit annoying, and my eyesight is not getting that good anymore. So I want it nice and simple. Yeah, there you go. And like I said, you got watch faces, you got more, which you can do things like accessibility, general, some of the brightness, but of course you want to do a bit more settings. You have to go into the actual settings itself on the phone here. Whoops, here you go, and you got a bunch of stuff here, which is pretty cool. So yeah, this is my first wearable or smartwatch. I couldn't tell you if it's good or not. This is not a review. There's plenty of reviews out there. I'm just glad that I got this blue one, which is pretty cool. Anyway, well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my wrist, and we'll see how it looks good on me or not. I'll get back to you in a minute. Well, I'm back. I'm actually using my Nubia 60 Ultra phone back again. So image and sound quality may look different. So I'm using on my right side. I'm right-handed, but I know if you're right-handed, you're supposed to be on your left side, but I just prefer on my right wrist. Weird, huh? So yeah, decent size, not too big, not too small. I love it. I put it always on, so when it goes like this, because when it kind of goes into sleep mode, it kind of does this kind of almost. I like this watch face. I'll probably change it, and there's plenty to download, and there's probably more. So like I said, I'll probably change it every month like a wallpaper. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's always on. So like I said, it's not a review. This is my first smartwatch. I couldn't tell you or compare it to anything else. So yeah, okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do is, you know what? I'm gonna unbox the OnePlus Buds 3. Say that 5 times. OnePlus Buds 3. Anyway, I'll unbox that in a sec. Be back in a minute. So here it is. I've already unboxed it. Like I said, I need a new stand. Like I said earlier, anybody got any good recommendation? Please post in the comments. Here you go. And you got the box. You got this. You got that. USB-C to A. You got extra buds. Here it is. Oops. Paperwork inside here. Is nice. It complements my watch. Again, this is actually my first OnePlus Buds, so I couldn't tell you how good they are. I probably won't use it now because I've got plenty. I've got actually quite a lot of earbuds to go through, so I'll probably save this for some other time. But it does look pretty cool. Oh no, let me just see if I can open it with one hand. Here you go. It's got a nice gloss to it. Yeah, I heard it's meant to be really good. So, like I said, if I use this like my watch, maybe I may make a video of what my watch is like, and if I use these earbuds, I'll probably put that in there, say little how good it is. It's good, bad, etc. There you go. Unboxing that as well. Anyway, hope you like this kind of like last minute video. This is for my birthday. I got a bunch of stuff from China as well, which I'll probably showcase of what I got for myself. I bought a bunch of stuff, loads. Like I say, always when I go on holiday, I buy so much stuff because you never know someone's birthday, Christmas presents, and especially me being Asian, there's always some sort of festival that I need to give my nephews and nieces. So I'm always buying a bunch of stuff prepared for all these different seasons, Christmas and so on. And I bought myself a bunch of cool stuff as well. So anyway, and also, anyway, I was gonna just yeah, if you can, I've done a bunch of vlogs on China. Please check those out as well, and subscribe for more talking geeky stuff. And whenever I get a chance to unbox stuff. Anyway, until next time. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are in the world. And one last look. Oh, I look pretty cool, doesn't it? Anyway, until next time. Goodbye.